Chingaki aboroki gwa ambebirasi gusebirango bagendere kuyarigania samatemu manene y'umwaka wiga ritukuria rero ase chinsemo chia Kisii South aniga babwatani gose aborokia be chinsemo abaria bechikucho boroso na chicha secondary banyanga bakomerana puna enjira ya muyokorotota emerobelio Jonsi yokwarigania amatema yugose ogokorwo kwa matema yuo ayo guchiko chaka amatuka make gose kichinge chire mutwe muri kito dipone asanya nigatorino atwere roboti rwa senjera yobwikira
Rituko ria rero ekiombe kia barimu korwa Kisii South yugotokeme yebunge ya Bonchari nigo baumirana asogosemania na boigo gusangiriria ebirengererio na kubika mirobelio asogoteneri wa matemwa manene alibosio anana yobente gochaka ikigocha
Jared Mariela Nyabongwe, the Executive Secretary, NAT Kisii South Branch. Today we were here during the briefing exercise for our learners who are going to sit for the examination this year. And I want to take this opportunity to wish all the learners in Kenya, across the country, all the best as they sit down for the examination.
Asikirenga yokoganeria aborokigwa amaya anena samatemwa manene igobono baruro kuboria asubwasyoku na boigo boene konekiwa anene asomurobulio yo kogochiko chaka.
As we are handling this examination, we want integrity ya mtihani itoke ikiwa sawa. And I know our teachers have promised kwamba watakisha kwamba mtihani wote umefanywa vizuri na matokeo itatokea vizuri.
Okwa nekerekyo omo Executive Secretary wekiombe kia NAT ime ya Kisii South nigobono akwanira engana yabe kwa ase mitandao chingaki kiombe kia barimu ba JSS barolekana gotaka oboene wo gwetenenera ase kerengo kiabo.
This issue they are addressing, we all understand very well that even in our universities we have many groups which are incorporated in universities. There is diploma courses which are there, there is degree courses which are there, but those lecturers have not yet demanded that they need their chancellors. It is long. If we remember from the beginning, the Form 4 levels has been there. They were hostile on Form 4 area or secondary section. So we are saying that if the JSS demands an autonomy, that is null and void, and they want to say categorically here that as a union, we are supporting them to remain under our HOIs in our primary section.
Anybody
can be a leader. So as much as the HOIs are handling them, we have not seen any problem in what is happening in our schools. Otherwise, what we want to say, hiyo maneno wanasema eti wanataka wawe huru, hakuna maneno ya kuitwa huru because where they are wako na uhuru.
Chiga checho nigobono abolie serikali kurigereria muswada orase bunge aneno yorengete abarimu.
Na omba serikali hivi that is the session paper number 1 2025 which is on parliament and it's not yet complete. We want them to give it out, let them sign it out and let it work. President alitoana pesa. Our government used the money to have given the presidential working party report ambao walipita wakatoa ujumbe na maneno walipitisha ni sisi kama wananchi tulipitisha.
Kwa ripoti reketa senikia ukiagatembe kurega sebunge ya Bonchari ilitana nigongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.